Are you ready to change the way you think about pockets? I present to you this cutting-edge double U-shaped pocket design, a game changer that would revolutionize your fashion, add more money to your pocket, and elevate your style to a whole new level. This could be your ultimate selling point. You're welcome to my channel. This is VSM Designs. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Let's go straight to today's tutorial. I have already cut my gum to 4 3/4 inches. Then I'm going to give it a shape this way. I need to make it curvy as much as possible. Then I'm going to bend the top and cut. But before I cut, I'll have to measure it. This is 5 3/4 inches. So in essence, the dimension of this pocket is 4 3/4 by 5 3/4 inches. Then I'm going to fold it this way. I'll make sure the both sides are equal. Then I'll measure 1 inch. I'll also measure 1 inch. Then I'm going to use freehand to sketch a curve. I don't want this to be too deep, so that there will still be enough space for one to put stuff inside the pocket. I'll measure 1 inch of gum. Then I'll give it a V shape. I'll place it here this way. I don't want it to be too long. That's the choice of the customer. This is the fabric I'm going to use. So I will gum this main pocket like this, and I will gum the small piece on the black fabric, and I've just done that. The next thing we are going to do is to trim off the excess fabric. You are going to trim it from the gum, directly from the gum. The same applies to the inner U shape. If you're enjoying this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up so that YouTube algorithm can show it to more people. Also share to your friends and colleagues. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload videos, YouTube will notify you first. Then I cut a strap on the elastic side that is bias. We are going to use it to tape this pocket round. We are going to sew this like this, but I did not finally make use of this particular one. After turning it, the shape did not give me exactly what I wanted, so I did another one. I've just gummed it, and instead of turning it with a piece of fabric, I'm going to fold it this way so that I will run thread on it. I've just done that. I'm going to place it here and run thread round. Next we are going to do is to pipe the inner U shape. I'm using the footer to determine the size of the allowance I'm giving. Note that this place is very curvy. So I'm actually hand rolling my machine so as not to make any mistake. If it takes you to hand roll your machine to make sure that you get what you want, that's as advisable. This is how it's going to be. You are going to turn it this way. This excess, you are going to push it backwards like this, then you notch. I'm showing you this because by the time I will go to table, I will not take you there. Now let's pipe the outer part of the pocket. Make sure you maintain the same size of allowance you gave to the inner U shape. I will also flip it backwards like this, and now take it to the table to complete it. Don't also forget to notch the curvy areas. I've done the folding. Then next we are going to do is to attach it to the main clothes. Remember that as you fix your pocket, you have to measure where to fix the pocket. For an adult pocket, you have to measure from the neck to the point where you are going to fix the pocket between 5.5 inches to 6 inches. Some people get confused as to where exactly to place their pocket. I'm now fixing a button on it, and here is our pocket. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly click on the banners showing on your screen right now to watch more of my amazing videos.